Blaupunkt 12 volts, 24 volts disc and shell horn are the horn that need to be in every car as with small size. The sound projected by the horn deliberately does its purpose, which is to be an acoustic device to signal other drivers during the necessary duration. We will demonstrate the sound of horn for every model. 12 volts disc horn D72BK, 12 volts disc horn D77BK, 24 volts disc horn D91BK for 24 volts vehicle. (24 volts disc horn D91BK, H, for high tone only. (12 volts shell horn S79BK, 12 volts shell horn S79BR with black and red finishing. 12 volts shell horn S79RD with red finishing. S79RB 24 volts shell horn for 24 volts vehicle with 2 tones finishing. 12 volts shell horn S92RB with red and black finishing. 12 volts shell horn S92RD with red finishing. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.